Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to add a Bluetooth device to your Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is right click on the Windows Start button, and you want to select Settings, so go ahead and left click on that. Select Bluetooth and other devices on the left side. And then just keep in mind you can also search for it as well in the magnifier glass icon search menu. And where it says Bluetooth and devices, you can go ahead and select the plus add a device button. Make sure your Bluetooth device is turned on, in which case then you can go ahead and add a Bluetooth device here. Make sure it is connected like I said so that it will be able to be recognized by your computer. So make sure it is turned on and that it is available to be accessed by other devices. So pretty straightforward on how to pair your Bluetooth device to your Windows 11 computer. And that's about it. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.